Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Based on current advancements, we may make educated guesses about potential external features and design trends. Subaru is most likely to adopt a platform or draw design cues from one of their current SUV models, such as the Subaru Outback or Subaru Forester, if they decide to offer a motorhome model in 2026. Since it's a motorhome, the outside will probably be more boxy in order to optimize the amount of room inside. Subaru is known for its strong off-road capabilities and symmetrical all-wheel drive AWD technology. This will probably be reflected on the outside of the motorhome with elevated ground clearance. Better approach and departure angles are achieved with short overhangs. The car's underbelly is surrounded with plastic body protection that guards against dings and scratches. Sturdy roof rails to support a roof tent or additional gear. Additional outside elements, such sliding side doors for easy access to the interior, are likely to be there because it's a motorhome. Larger windows for improved views and natural light. External connections for water and power. Side awnings as add-ons or incorporated features. Rear ladder to reach the back storage space or roof. Since Subaru cars are often small, the inside will probably be well designed to make the most of available space. Materials like vinyl floors, wipe-down surfaces, and durable textiles would make sense given the outdoor application. During the day, the bed may probably be folded into a sofa or other seating area to conserve room. The kitchenette, there could be a little stove, sink, and little room for storing food and cooking tools, depending on the size. Clothes, camping equipment, and other possessions will be kept in different sections and on shelves. A compact table that may be folded up for working or dining. LED lighting that uses less energy and can be adjusted to meet different demands. Retractable windows and maybe a ventilation-equipped roof. It could include extra batteries to run lights, gadget chargers, and other little equipment.